Love your Elmo, huh? Daddy can't even see out these windows. Yeah. And we're off. Today I'm filming with Glenn. I'm gonna get my first fingerprint COVID test. Get my fingerprint, and it's gonna let us know that I'm COVID safe as I enter the filming bubble, and we're gonna bust out these food for thoughts, man. I'm really excited. Got some cool dishes, some inspiration from Chef Marcus Samuelson from the Red Rooster in Harlem, and really excited about this. Really excited. If I'm excited, I should be fired up. I need more coffee though. Need some more coffee, and need to focus on the road I'm out. Somebody here. Let me call them. Come around this side real quick first.
These are the Lansing devices right here. And so,
can I sit here?
Yeah. So we got that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the gloves. Get you all situated.
Okay. I like this office, man.
If you want, you can keep your mask on the entire time. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't matter to me. So this right here. And so I prick your finger, and then you put the blood right here, and then we put the solution in there, right? And then it's 2 drops of the solution. In 15 minutes, it will show whether or not you have.
And I wait in the car till then, right?
You can wait in the car, you can leave, you can do whatever you want, but I'll let you know in 15 minutes. So, C is you're all clear, and N means you currently have it. Okay. G means you had it already.
Okay. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, it can tell if you had it within the past month or 6 weeks.
So what matters the most right now is if I don't have it right now.
Exactly, because you can't shoot.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and so I'm gonna need your middle finger. That's the one that has the most blood. No, I'm sorry, the ring finger.
Wait. I was like, that was weird. That's the first.
Needles.
I got tattoos, man. I'm just playing.
Okay, cool. So you have to do it inside because if we don't, if we go outside,
the temperature's
gonna mess it up. So it's gonna be a real quick prick. Ready? So for that blood to show up.
Yeah, you got me twice though.
Yeah.
It's like stab. I was like, okay.
I didn't realize I was gonna go that deep the first time. So I just get a nice little piece here. Just wait till it beads up.
Too much. Then they try to say that you act too tough. Then they try to tell you you ain't black enough. Look at a black boy joy, look at a black girl magic. End of the day, what you got, they can't have it. End of the day, what you got, they can't have it. End of the day, what you got, they can't. Look at a black boy joy, look at a black girl magic. End of the day, what you got, they can't have it.
Ready?
It's so. I think.
And we about to start. Let me go. The hoodie.
I got some stuff on the bottom. Okay, cool. You got it.
Yes. Yeah. It's that script.
Did we?
So I'm gonna rock the other hoodie for the other one, right? That's the concept?
Not the hoodie.
Oh, the other sweater.
Yeah.
Joy to the world. This a message to the black low prison girl. And I ain't trying to exclude nobody else, but I wanna tell my kids,
hey man,
let it show.
The shrimp you just made was crazy, bro. That's a problem. That was the best shrimp I've had.
Oh man, they gassing me up. Where the gas tank?
No gas.
Where the gas? Do I got a gas tank? They gassing me up right now. I appreciate it.
I don't know if I'm ever really shrimp. You gotta eat them on the stories, like on the camera, bro.
I hope y'all wives don't be cooking shrimp for you. You know. I mean, there's some here. I'm gonna cook some more though. You know I'm cooking more though. So.
What is it? Like Hello Fresh, but we can't.
Michelo
I
Fresh.
just ordered a meal service, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Which one did you go with?
I went with trifecta.
I think I'm gonna do fresh.
Yeah, it's like if you want to lose weight.
The first bite
Push in front.
is the sweet.
Oh, you got the Filmic Pro app, huh?
Bro.
Yeah. I love this thing, man. I can get
the front and the back at the same time.
reactions.
It's so crazy.
Yeah, you like that, man?
I'm trying to.
Sweet, man.
Wow.
That's pretty
Man,
fire.
this is crazy. All right, let's go so I don't eat all this.
All right, okay.
Crispy.
Have to be that high up though, like you don't want to because it was taller. That's it. Let's put this. Hold on. This does a little sketchy. Let's make sure we.
Can I see the feet dangle? Let me see him dangle.
These on this back one. Let's
Why don't you sit back, bro?
This ain't gonna happen.
yeah, just so you.
Belief in fatherhood, food for thought. My name is Mikel Anthony. It's been a pleasure. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and keep cooking.